Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 2002, the year Ricky Carmichael absolutely destroyed the competition with a new RC valve, 02 250 engine and frame, all new. And this thing, he went undefeated. He didn't lose a single race that year. This was the end of the two-stroke dominance before the four-strokes took over. This bike's got all original plastic seat cover. You see it has an original rear fender, just unheard of. Original side covers, a couple beauty marks on them, but they're original. We put some fresh tires and a chain, some Renthal bars, and that's about it. We have a full YouTube video disclosing the exact nature of what was done to it. It was also upgraded with a Boyson rad valve to give it a little more boost down low, and a twin air filter. All new fluids. She's an absolute diamond. We sold this bike a while back, years ago, to one of our clients, and he left it on display in the museum, never picked it up, never rode it. It's been ridden up and down the driveway since the work was done on it, and that's about it. Still has the hairy nubs on the tires, as you can see. This one's a diamond. Never raced, never abused. Look at the original, the Kashima, or the coating on the forks. I think it's, they call it Kashima coating, is pristine and original. This bike's never been roosted. The radiators are perfectly straight. I'll go over all this in the long form video I did the first time we sold the bike. So it's coming up. He's looking to change and to get another bike. I think he's getting a street bike or something. So this one's coming up for sale. Original pipe. Looks at original side cover. Unretouched side cover, original swing arms, pristine. It's about as nice as of an 02 as you'll ever find anywhere. It's a diamond. Check out the video coming up soon, and thanks for watching.
In the class of 2002, unless you find one new in the box, you're gonna be hard pressed to beat this thing. This is absolutely freaking stunning. Mint and original. Original radiator shrouds, original seat, original rear fender, original number plates. It came to us with original tires. They even have the original tires if you want them. Wizard kept them downstairs. But look at that exhaust pipe. Unretouched, unpainted, factory original, pristine Survivor. Just unheard of to find them like this. Usually they run into the ground. We did make some nice upgrades on it. We put the brand new Dunlop tires on it, front and rear. I do have the stock ones. We also put a set of Renthal Bars on here with the Honda OEM Grips and a braided stainless brake line. Wizard went right through it, put a new air filter in it, changed the gear oil, changed the engine ice, engine coolant, put Motul brake fluid in it, put a brand new gold chain on it, and Ronnie just got done giving it a nice detail, so she's ready to put under the tree, guys. There's only one, so if you're interested, give Junior a call, 860-454-7024. Check this out. It's there's not a single scratch on the swing arm. It's like it just came out of the box. Brand new chain. That's the original sprocket. Had the original chain and tires on it. We got it. The pegs are perfectly straight. Just a beautiful piece.